Hi guys, welcome to BS Academy, a source of knowledge. Now I'm going to tell area formula for all shapes. And the first is area of ellipse. A is equals to pi into A into B, where A is called as area and pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. A is A axis and B is called as B axis. And the next is area of a rhombus. A is equals to P into Q divided by 2, where A is the area and P and Q are called as diagonals. And the next is area of a triangle. A is equals to 0.5 into B into H, where A is the area, 0.5 is a constant value, and B is the length of the base, that is bottom, and H is the height. And the next is area of a trapezium. A is equals to 0.5 into A plus B into H, where A is the area and smaller represents the length of the top and B represents the length of the base and H is the height. And the next is parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equals to B into H, where A is the area, B is the length of the base and H is the height. And the next is area of arc length. Arc length A is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 into pi into r, or we can write it as A is equals to theta divided by 360 into d into pi, where A is called as arc length and theta is arc length, arc angle which is in degrees, r is the radius of the circle and d is the diameter of the circle. And next is area of an octagon. To write area of octagon, first we need to calculate the area of one triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to 0.5 into base into height. There are 8 triangles in an octagon, so area of one triangle into 8. We can write it as 2 into 1 plus root 2 into a square. And the next is area of annulus. The area of annulus is equals to pi into outer radius square minus inner radius square, where pi is equals to 3.14 or 22 by 7. And the next is area of a circle. Area is equals to pi into r square, where pi is equals to 3.14 or 22 by 7. And the next is area of a square. Area of a square is equals to height into width. Next, rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equals to height into width. And the next is cylinder. Area of a cylinder is equals to 2 into pi into r plus h, where pi is 3.14, r is the radius and h represents height. And the next is area of a cube. Area of a cube is equals to 6 into h square. And the next is area of a cone. Area of length of a cone is equals to pi r into slant height, and area of radius of cone is equals to pi into r into slant height plus r. And the next area of a hexagon. Area of a hexagon is equals to perimeter into apthon divided by 2. And the next is area of a tetrahedron. Area is equals to root 3 into a square. And the next is rhomboid. Area of a rhomboid is equals to b into h, where b is the base and h is the height. And the next is area of a sector. To get the area of a sector, we need to first calculate in degrees. A is equals to theta divided by 360 into pi into r square. If we want to calculate in radians, A is equals to 0.5 into r square into theta, where A is the area, theta is the angle which is measured in radians or degrees, and pi is 3.14 and r is the radius. 360 and 0.5 are the constant values. And the next is area of a segment. For degrees, A is equals to r square divided by 2 into pi divided by 180 into theta minus sin theta. For radians, A is equals to 0.5 into r square into theta minus sin theta, where A is the area, r is the radius, pi is 3.14 and theta is the angle, and 0.5 and 180 are the constants. That's it for this video. I'll be back in another video with another topic. Thank you for watching.